Classic nut farm configurations are fixed, costly, and labor-intensive. Think differently about fastener assembly. First and foremost, the VERA system is flexible. It will reduce your labor costs and increase your productivity and competitiveness. The VERA system is so versatile that it will change the way you think about fastener assembly. VERA is nothing like a classic nut farm. VERA stands for Vision-Enabled Robotic Assembly. One of the first things you'll notice is that there is no dedicated tooling required. D&D's VERA assembly cell is vision-enabled, and using our proprietary algorithms, VERA can identify each part, adjust for position and orientation, select the proper nut combinations, and complete the assembly that it is programmed to build. A primary feature of this unique technology is its ability to select the proper nut combinations, including size, style, and orientation for multiple assemblies. This eliminates issues of nut pollution and part spoilage. Because VERA is vision-enabled, it will only select the specific nuts it is programmed to select, even if the part specifications require more than one nut size. Now that's flexibility and quality control. The VERA is incredibly flexible. So flexible that a single VERA can run as many as 32 different assemblies, even with multiple nut sizes and styles. And do this on the fly with no changeover, no downtime. This means you get full utilization of your capital investment. The V and E in VERA stand for Vision-Enabled. This unique approach to part identification allows the VERA to identify any piece and proceed with assembly automatically. It can do this in million-part runs, single-part runs, or any combination your clients need. It makes no difference to VERA, as there is no dedicated tooling. None. VERA identifies the part and adjusts its functions automatically. A VERA station offers inherent quality control. The robot's vision scans and identifies both the part and the nuts used for that process prior to assembly. If the part quality is insufficient, the part is rejected. It will not be assembled. Each VERA can be configured to run many different parts and fasteners. Introducing a new product would not require additional capital. A recognition procedure is all that is necessary to add a new product to your business. This is a huge competitive edge, having the ability to take on new product, do initial prototyping, and begin production in days rather than months, without capital output. It also means that you can set up for one-stop part completion. The entire product operation could be completed at a single VERA station. Duplicate handling of the product is eliminated. That is why we believe that VERA has the ability to do the work of many conventional dedicated machines. VERA makes the execution of small part runs simple. Small runs are typically expensive and time-consuming when retooling is involved. With VERA, small part runs are simple to execute because there is no tooling. Rather than being considered a necessary expense of time and capital, they can become a very lucrative aspect of your business instead. Smaller runs are seamless and simple to execute, and they can even be performed during normal production runs of other products. What an effective way to increase your competitiveness! You may have noticed that you have not seen an operator at the VERA station. That's because VERA does not require a dedicated operator to perform its functions. In a conventional fastener assembly configuration, an operator is required to attend the machine 100% of the time, as they are continuously placing and removing parts to and from the tool. With the VERA system, all the operator is required to do is load the infeed buffer and clear the outfeed buffer. The machine does the rest. One operator can manage multiple machines. Depending on part size and robot configuration, it is possible to have a single operator service as many as 4 VERA machines. Just another way that VERA will benefit your bottom line. VERA has many benefits when compared to a classic nut farm configuration. Establish more flexibility. With no dedicated tooling, one machine can run multiple parts. Escalate your competitiveness. With VERA, you will be able to minimize labor costs, maximize efficiency and quality control, and easily assemble small part runs and prototypes. Increase your profitability. With VERA, you will be able to have more flexibility and fewer capital costs, reduce labor needs, and maximize equipment use as well as your company's competitiveness. Add these advantages up, and you'll realize that VERA is a quantum leap forward in nut farm productivity. VERA. Think differently about fastener assembly.